Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Okay, so first we can use volume buttons to take photos. Take a look. When you click for the volume down, you will also get this photo, but after 2 seconds of delay. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record short video. You can also change function of these volume buttons by going to the settings, then go for the volume buttons function and switch from the timer to zoom or shutter. And right now when you click and hold these buttons, for example volume up, you are going to zoom in. And the same for the volume down, you are going to zoom out. When you click on the screen once and you have this icon on the screen, you can decrease or increase brightness level. You can also click in this place to adjust the brightness level automatically. Next, we can go to the settings by tapping on these lines, and as you can see, we can open the settings where we can find option tap to take photo. Right now we can click on the screen and the photo will be taken. Take a look. But I'm not sure if you can see that, but this phone is changing color right now. When I move it like that, as you can see, the camera change color. So honestly, that's the first time that I can see something like that. You can tell me in the comment if this bug also appears in your case. And there's also the big color difference between this lens and this, as you can see. Let's go for another tip. When you click in this place, you can add color and the temperature. Basically, we can change color and the temperature. As you can see, we can go for the normal to get original color. When you go for the more modes, we can find, for example, the 48 megapixel mode. And let me show you how it works. It's called Ultra HD mode. And then take photo with the normal mode. And take a look right now. So this photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks like that. And this one was taken with the 48 megapixel mode. And as you can see right here, we can zoom in a little bit closer. Okay, and the last tip will be also in the settings. So right here, we can simply get rid of that shutter sound when taking photos. As you can hear right now, we don't have this sound anymore. And that's all for this video. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.